Okay, click the calculus button. Let's go down to continuity, and I believe we are button 8 there. Yeah, that looks different. Something different there. So it's a piecewise function, and we want to find the limit as x approaches 6 coming in from the right hand side of r of x. So let's move over to the whiteboard and let's write this sucker out. You know what? I'm going to go back to blue. Why not? Bluish green, I kind of like it. Anyway, we got this piecewise function, and of course this is the kind of more traditional way of writing that. We have 6x, and that domain is x is greater than 6. Then down here we have x plus 1, and that domain is going to be x is less than or equal to 6. We want to find the limit as x approaches 6 from the right hand side, coming in from the right, of r of x. Now if we're coming in from the right hand side, we're going to be using this part of the piecewise function because this says x is greater than 6. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this limit and throw 6x in there since this is the one we're going to be using. Now we can go ahead and just do direct substitution, plug in 6 directly in. Okay, and we get 36 out. Even though it says we're not allowed to use 6, but we're going to anyway. Now let me sketch out what this graph actually looks like. Whoa, I don't know what happened to the x-axis there. It got out of control. I think probably we should erase this part of it. Yeah, it's kind of a tough thing to draw straight lines on this tablet here. Bamboo tablet. I'm not writing actually on the screen. I'll be glad when I get a computer and do that. Touchscreen computer. Where are we at? We are, let's do this function a different color. I don't know. If we were to plug 6 in, let's say 6 is right here. Okay? And in other words, f of 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So we'll say this is 7 right here. This is a lot like the last problem. So the graph is looking like that. Of course, graph's not to scale. I got to say that. And then 6 into. Of course, you're not allowed to plug 6 into this. My God, let's not do it. But anyway, we get 36, and like I said, it's definitely not to scale. But we get something like this. We'll say, and we're going to say this is 36. Y-axis is definitely not to scale, but anyway. So this is what we got, and we're coming in from the right hand side, as you can see. So we're riding along this graph here and finding out exactly where this hole is at, and it's this undefined point, I should say. Of course, the y value is at 36, and you can always do this numerically, but like plugging in f of 6.001, let's say, into this guy right here and getting a number out. So this was the numerical part of the numerical approach that we talked about in the very beginning. All right. Okay, let's move back to the page and let's end this. In this guy, as you can see, it says 36 there, of course, making sure that's all correct. All right, I'll see you there. You might actually see me there sometime because I think I got a forum page or something. It's up here. If you click on it, it's up above this right here, and you can leave a message. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.